So we're just going to continue to allow children to be viciously murdered in this country. Viciously murdered. Because the thing about these weapons is that they are not meant to injure. They're meant to shred their victims. In this case, children, 9-year-old children. You know, and it would be one thing if we didn't make our voices heard, right? But over 85% of the people in this country want change, recognize that change needs to happen. So it's the political will of some that prevent that change. And we've marched, and we've screamed, and we've cried, and we've protested, and we've rallied, and we've sat in, and we've died in. And we voted. We have one job as parents. One job as parents, and that is to keep our children safe. We can't do that. Every day that we wake up in this country, we are putting our children's lives at risk. We are risking them being shredded by a weapon of war. Our children. And I don't know how to keep them safe.